So, hello everybody. Gonna do a flight with the BAK lithium ion, one parallel, just a super light BAK, and is fresh charged, so not warm anymore, but should have good power, and it had like 6 milliohms in internal resistance, and the moly cell P45B had like 11, like on the data sheet really, and this had much less. So let's see. Last time I flew too much time with 5000 lipo, and I had a cut off so I had an emergency landing over there in the green, but just the gear doors, the front, were broken because the gear did not go in fast enough. But I repaired that, and I hope everything's okay. So did not fly this one in like 2 weeks, I think. And let's see. I have like here 5 minutes. I'll try to fly 7 minutes, and I have the GPS also. So let's start. Today is windy. Sun is also bad for landing. Maybe I do the other landing from the south. Let's see. I think I haven't filmed it yet. Okay. So enough power to get up. The wind is picking up now from the other side. Let's do a couple of fast passes to check max speed. So slow pass with flaps. To the battery to recover a bit. Half flaps. The wind is picking up a lot. Okay, flaps up. Bit of throttle. Takeoff flaps. Completely out of the throttle. Just gliding. Now a bit of throttle. I have no gyro here, so you can see the plane being pushed a bit, but it isn't almost mentionable, not so much. Flaps up. So maybe with that 3 passes we have a good one, and try to do the landing approach like the last time. Okay, so oh no. Gear down. The sun is not good. Gear up. Bad approach. I was too high. Now here, normally come from this side. Gear down. Takeoff flaps. Let her come down. Maybe the CG is much more back, so it's more difficult. Oh, landing flap. And now turn. Half flaps. I'm on takeoff flaps now. Now put the gear down here. I think I need to trim it down. Now, oh, it's just, oh, landing flaps. Not so nice today. Takeoff flaps. Coming here and gear down. And now this turn, just looking the trees. Landing flaps, and then now the turn. Leading speed. Okay. That was the approach. But I don't know if the wind. No, probably the CG. Gear down. Now landing flaps, and now coming in. not nice. I'm too high. I don't know. Okay, gear down, coming down. I'm on half flaps to that turn. I'm too high for the turn. Landing flaps. Ooh. And now let it flare. Again, that was better. Gear down. Now. Okay. Come down. Landing flaps, and now. Okay. Now. That was a bounce. Maybe. Don't know. Difficult. Make it. I don't know where the trees are there. I'm a bit afraid of the trees. Now you're down, coming down, leading speed already. Landing flaps. Okay. So, I'm on 5 minutes now. Maybe let's see the voltage. But I think I have those 2 minutes to make it 7 minutes. It's warm. It's a bit warm, but not hot. So that is good. I thought that maybe the would be hot. The park 3.6 volts. So it's super. It's for short 2 minutes. Even 2 minutes. Let's see if I can take from here. I don't think so. Maybe I should taxi back a bit. Okay. I had a good bounce. But this landing gear is very nice. I come here. Okay, now. I have still plenty of power after 5 minutes. Now maybe a fast low pass. an inverted flight, maybe. Okay. Flying like this, like half or 3/4 of throttle, you can easily fly the 8 minutes probably with the BAK, and still have a lot of speed, I think. Oh, the sun is so cool. Look, okay, I'm on what? Ah, yes, 7 minutes. Okay, now landing flaps coming down. Just gliding, not a perfect approach. Oh, does not have a cool sound. Maybe take one more time up, but it's maybe too near. Let's make the 8 minutes of useful throttle time. But the good thing is that the BAK is so light that the plane does not get too much load with a bad landing. So let's recover a bit the BAK, few seconds, half laps, full rates. I'm on full rates. Okay. So the wind is coming. It's a good wind. Let's look. Oh, it's not. Oh, it's really bad. It's really bad. Okay, this is really emergency landing. No power. Almost no power. Oh, I don't know how I took off. I'm now on 8 minutes and 35 seconds, because this is 5 minutes and now it's 3:38 over the 5 minutes. So flying time probably over 9 minutes, and I managed to land. Probably it's strange because it was okay, but now it got down very quickly, and cutoff is completely off, so it's strange. Oh, it's on 2.4 volts, so it's really hot. Also now this time is hot. I'll take it out to let it cool down. It was too much capacity, so yeah, too much taxing also. Let it here on the grass, or take it already to the station. And oh, it's cooking now. Sad I have no temperature gun, but it's really hot.